evaluated in one independent photo of level 2 or I could actually never I'm just so I'm reading. That's just nice to read. That's what. Oh, maybe I say this, but let's start by cleaning. First thing we see. So if we go to the cleaner and then to the answer. Oh, definitely not. We could have used it. I need to look up for the first time. Oh, wow. I don't know. No problem. Huh? No problem. Try the prison down here. Huh? Oh, that's not bad. See, that's it. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're going to know. Not really like that. Please stop me. Use your head.